Hello and welcome to Virtual Keypad Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create or edit a schedule created in Virtual Keypad. When you log in, you'll see a page similar to this. This is going to be known as your desktop. On the left-hand side will be all your different interactive tools. We're going to navigate today down to Schedules. From there, you can see any existing schedule that you have created. If you navigate up to the top, you'll click the Add button. From there, you can name your schedule whatever you'd like. Schedule 2, as you can see. You can make this a temporary schedule. From there, you can see if it's an everyday, a weekday, a weekend, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So if it's individual, we're going to create this schedule for weekends just for the sake of time. So what time do we want it to be? At sunrise, let's say, we want it to go 30 minutes before sunrise, and we want it to be 30 minutes after sunset, and then closed on holidays. If you navigate to the Information tab, it'll let you know any preset holidays that you have created. And then what areas do you want it to unlock? So we want it to unlock the office and the ATM vestibule. And what doors? Just the ATM vestibule door. From there, you click Save, and what you'll see is now we have Schedule 2 created. So when I exit out of this, as you can see, there's Monday through Friday 8 to 5 and Schedule 2. I'm going to go back in here and actually delete this schedule. It'll ask me to confirm. You say confirm, and now you're back to 1. Say I wanted to edit this one. I can navigate into this one, add areas, or add doors for this one. Click Save, and you're good to go. Back up to the area settings. So you can see if there's automatic arming for each of the associated doors. So at the office, I want to disarm or arm. Door, I want to disarm or arm. And ATM vestibule, I want to disarm or arm. And then a closing check. This is reminding you when the system is not armed at a scheduled time. So if I wanted to turn this on, then at the time at 5 o'clock, it's going to alert me if the doors are not armed. Thank you for watching Virtual Keypad Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Virtual Keypad, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can visit us here at virtualkeypad.com for more documentation and downloads.